Are you wondering what to do about pigmentation in the underarm area? Well, I'm going to share with you 5 things that can help that. First off, the skin in the underarm area is thin and is actually pretty similar to thickness of the eyelid, so it's pretty thin. That said, it's also pretty sensitive, so one of the reasons you might have pigmentation in the underarm area is irritation. There's a lot of reasons why you might have that. The first thing you want to look at is there a rash there? Is there some reason that you might have inflammation there? If you have a rash there, it could be eczema, could be a fungal infection, could even be psoriasis. So if that's the case, you may want to talk to your provider about that. Certainly there's treatments for that. But that is something, if there's a rash there, we certainly want to get that treated first. And that may be that's all that's necessary. Another thing we want to make sure is we're not doing things to cause irritation ourselves. So one of those things is over exfoliating. So we do want to exfoliate in this area. However, you do not want to overdo it. So 2, maybe 3 times per week is sufficient for this area. We do want to do something that's both physical and chemical. So a chemical exfoliating agent might be lactic acid or even salicylic acid. These are gentle enough that they should not cause significant irritation in the area. Staying on our theme of minimizing irritation in the area, deodorants. So we want to be mindful of the type of deodorant we're using. So if you have pigmentation in this area, you can definitely consider using a deodorant that is hypoallergenic. Ideally something that doesn't have sodium bicarb. Now there are not studies for this, but some people think that it can make the pigmentation worse. So a couple of deodorants you can consider trying is one Vanicream, the other is Lumi. Another possible option is doing a medical treatment or something we would say in an office treatment. So there is actually a number of things that can be done in the office. So there can be things such as a chemical pill. In the office, we're going to use a higher strength than you will be able to use safely at home. Also, microneedling is an option to treat hyperpigmentation in this area. We use microneedling in multiple areas, particularly the face, for pigmentation issues. Also, there is a number of laser treatments you can use. One option would be Clear and Brilliant. Again, that's something you normally use on the face, but certainly underarm area we can use it. Laser genesis is another treatment also we could use in this area to help treat hyperpigmentation. And last, certainly not least, and there are certainly other options, but I'm just going to give you 5 today. To use some type of medical topical treatment. So hydroquinone is something that we can use in this area. You do want to utilize something that is prescription strength, so 8%, 6% concentration will work well without causing too much irritation. Also, you can use Tranexamic Acid or azelaic acid. Also, we can use azelaic acid or TXA to help topically in this area, and so you can either use those alone or in a combination topical. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.